Hello, this is Ken from Keystroke, and today's webinar is going to be on how to manage contacts um, in QSales to save you time and effort. So here we're looking at a contact record in ACT. We have QSales installed, and what I'd like to do is you can see under the QB tab, there's absolutely no information whatsoever. So what I'd like to do is I would like to create this customer. This is someone that I have had in my database for a little while, but now we're just starting to do business together, and I don't want to type all that information again into a new customer record of QuickBooks. So this is how I'd go about it. Over here, I would click on Create Link Customer Job, and I would be presented immediately with Create Customer, Create Job, or Unlink, or Link. And what I can do here is, now just so everyone understands, customer is fairly self-evident, but a job is basically a sub-entity of customers. That's so kind of a customer nested under a customer. And the reason that you would do that is if you have a number of specific jobs or you're working at a particular site of a larger customer, then what you can do to analyze your income and expenses on a per job basis, you can create a sub customer that we call a job within QuickBooks, and then link that customer or that contact record to the job. QSales does not do anything special. It doesn't create that feature. It just simply supports it within QuickBooks. But in any event, we want to create Rebecca Ann Harvison of Video Rental, the video rental company, and we want to create a customer within QuickBooks without having to do any typing. So let's see how that process is done. I now click on Create Customer. It's automatically identified. Now I'm looking at this and maybe I don't want to have the. Okay, so I'm going to actually cancel and edit this in advance because the let's say I want to put in here. Okay, and now let's do that again. Click Create Customer, the video rental company. I click on Create. It automatically creates it. See, it adds in the linked information here. So now I have the QB ID field linked, which allows me to make a connection to the corresponding customer within QuickBooks. Here is the name of the customer and indicates what record type it is. It's not a job, it's a customer. And if it were a job, then I would have the opportunity to list this as the parent ID. And here is indicating it's the primary contact record, which isn't necessary if it's the only one, but we'll get into that in another video. So now I've got this, it said the customer is created, and I would like to edit that record now. And I'll show you why that's important. Click on yes. So as you can see here, all the information is posted to the correct fields. However, there's no information available in the shipping address. And the reason for that is the QuickBooks SDK doesn't allow us to write directly to here. So what we have to do is we've created this little copy feature and it brings it on over. We can say add in miss here, job title we can add, main email. What we're going to do is we're going to put in Rebecca at videorental.com. Okay, and now I'm going to click on save. Now, let's see what that looks like in QuickBooks. So here's the video rental company. We can see we've got all of the information in the appropriate places. Everything is formatted properly. That's exactly like what we want. Okay, I'm going to click on Act. But one of the things that we did is we added an email that was in that's now in QuickBooks that's not in ACT. So again, I recognize that and I don't want to have to type anything twice. That's one of the things that QSales really helps with is the elimination of duplicate labor. So what I can do is I can click on this little button here and say sync QuickBooks to ACT or ACT to QuickBooks. In this case, I want to copy the information that's in QuickBooks to ACT. I'm going to click on yes. And now I can see that I've got immediately this information in. So again, it's saving yourself time. Now, if for any reason that you make information changes here and you want to push them up to that, you can do them one of two ways. So let's say that we've got the address wrong and we want to put it in Park Place Drive. Click on Save. And now we want to push that information up to QuickBooks. That is done. Now, if you want to confirm that it's reflected properly, you click on Edit and you can see Park Place Drive. However, you'll notice that that information is not reflected here. So we can click on Copy, update it. Everything else is accurate. We save, and that's how we can save time and effort managing our contacts within QSales. So if you would like to seamlessly integrate QSales or Act with QuickBooks, QSales is the answer. Version 13, available now. Thank you very much for your time. Have a good day.